Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about Dalton's atomic theory. The theory that all matter is made up of very tiny indivisible particles is called atomic theory of matter. Dalton put forward his atomic theory of matter in 1808. The various postulates of Dalton's atomic theory of matter are as follows. First, he says that all the matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. Secondly, atoms cannot be divided because they are the smallest particles. Right? First postulate says that all the matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. Secondly, atoms cannot be divided. Third says atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Then fourth, all the atoms of a given element are identical in every respect, having the same mass, size and chemical properties. Atoms of different elements differ in mass, size and chemical properties. Then atoms of element combine in the ratio of whole numbers to produce a large number of compound atoms of a new substance. These were the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Though Dalton's atomic theory was very much accepted, but still it had some drawbacks, such as he said that atom is the smallest particle and it cannot be subdivided. But we know that the modern atomic theory says that atoms can further be subdivided into small particles like electron, proton and neutron. Dalton said that all the atoms of different elements will differ in mass, size and chemical properties. But we know that some atoms of different elements may have same mass as well. For example, we know that calcium and argon both are, calcium atomic number is 20, argon atomic number is 18, but the atomic mass of calcium is 40 and the atomic mass of argon is also 40. So here the Dalton's atomic theory fails because it says that atoms of different elements differ in mass, size and chemical properties. But this is the best example which shows that it is not always that the atoms of different elements have different masses or size. They may be same. And such a type of substances elements are known as isobars. They are known as isobars. Okay. Then next he says that all the atoms of a given element are identical in every respect, having the same mass, size and chemical property. Again we see this are some elements which have different masses. For example, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 3. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes having mass 1, 2 and 3, that is proton, deuterium and tritium. Similarly, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. They have different masses. So again it is a drawback of Dalton's atomic theory. It says that all the atoms of a given element are identical in every respect, but here we see that these are the isotopes of the same element, but still they vary in their masses. Okay, so these are known as isotopes, a new term that is being given. These are known as isotopes. Having the same element but different masses are known as isotopes, and different elements with same masses are known as isobars. Clear? Now, Dalton's atomic theory has resemblance with the law of chemical combination, because according to Dalton's theory, he said that atom can neither be created nor be destroyed. Now, since an atom cannot be created or destroyed, it means the number of various types of atoms in the product. A number of atoms in the products will be equal to the number of all those atoms in the reactants. So the same number of various atoms in products and reactants will have the same mass. So the total mass of product is equal to the total mass of reactant. Okay. And secondly, he says that according to Dalton's atomic theory, he said that every element consists of small particles called atoms. All the atoms is made of atoms, all the matter. So it says that atoms of different elements combine to form compounds, and the number and kind of atom of each element in the compound is fixed. Now, since the number of atoms, the kind of atoms and mass of atoms or each element in a given compound is fixed, therefore a compound will always have the same elements combined together in the same proportion. That is what is the second law of chemical combination. So these two postulates are in variance with the Dalton's atomic theory. So this was Dalton's atomic theory and the drawback of Dalton's atomic theory. Hope you have understood. If you like my lectures, kindly like and subscribe it. Thank you.